Next up, we have Caitlin. Caitlin, are you here, honey?
Yes.
Okay, I'm going to pin you. Please go ahead.
Okay. Can you see my thing?
Yes.
My...
Yes.
Okay.
Go ahead. Yeah.
Hi, my name is Caitlin Cherith, and I go to Wayland High School in Massachusetts. Some hobbies I like are I play volleyball, and I'm part of the track team. Huh? Oh, sorry. And my topic for my research paper was exploring the possibilities of physical activity in the treatment of Alzheimer's disease. Okay, so my topic, like I said, was exploring benefits of physical activity on the brain of Alzheimer's patients. And some questions I tried to answer with my research was, how is physical activity beneficial to the brain? How can physical exercise help with neurodegenerative diseases? And what are some solutions for people who can't participate in physical activity? My objective was to find how physical activity really affects the brain and how it is beneficial to Alzheimer's patients. My significance is that I do have a family member who suffered through dementia and a family friend who currently suffers through dementia. And I can see, like, in the loved ones' lives, how much it really can affect close family members and friends. And also, a large percent of older individuals do end up suffering from a form of dementia. So my literature review, there was many, research and case studies that I analyzed. And two main ones were how exercise training increases the size of hippocampus and improves memory, and how, for hormones, how arison reduces amyloid beta by inducing the release of neprilysin from astrocytes. And again, there were a lot of research papers that I analyzed to grow my research paper. So my methodology and results was I did explorative research and content analysis through case studies. And some results I found was that exercise-induced hormones, including irisin, clusterin, and BDNF, were all increased through exercise, as well as the anterior hippocampus volume and decrease of amyloid beta in the frontal cortex. And also, I was able to find an alternative solution for individuals who can't participate in physical activity by injecting plasma of active individuals. And I found that a research paper had studied model rats and done that with, they had taken plasma from active rats and injected them into sedentary rats, and it showed an increase in memory. My conclusion, again, talking about my topic, is how physical activity helps in the management of Alzheimer's disease. I found that the increase of hormones, increase of hippocampus size, all helped in the management, and as well as it showed that more intense exercise and constant exercise showed a greater benefit. So my contribution was that how I was able to show how something simple like exercise can really help in the brain, and in future people who might might experience neurodegenerative diseases. And I was exercise also showed how individuals already experiencing dementia can help, and also showed new solutions to treat dementia. Some limitations I had was that some data has been contradictory, where it did say physical exercise has not shown an increase in memory and cognitive performance. And also, many people do not consider physical activity as a proper solution for the treatment of Alzheimer's disease. So yeah. And then my research experience with gifted gabber. With Dr. Varkey, he really helped me figure out my research topic. I knew I wanted to do something with physical exercise, and he really helped me organize my thoughts and really figure out what I could do and what I could research for my paper. He made the classes interesting, especially in the beginning, like giving an overview of what we were going to learn. And each class, like as we got closer to the thesis defense, he really made sure that we knew what we were going to write about and talked about specific topics. And it also deepened my knowledge on Alzheimer's, something I did not really know about beforehand. With Professor Virgil, he helped me organize my thoughts and keep me on track. Writing a research paper is really daunting, and he really split it into parts that were doable for me. And then with Gifted Gabber, it was just an amazing opportunity to be able to write a research paper. Like, it's something that I could never think I could do. And it was a really easy way to like complete this task because they made everything organized and they made everything easy to find. And thank you.
Awesome, Caitlin. You want to, Professor Berkey, question for Caitlin.
Very good, Caitlin. Good presentation and bringing in like details with different factors and hormones and all. Um, so just like one question for you, is it possible to basically has there any been any study where like they have actually looked into clearance of plaques in the brain for people who do okay.
Yeah, there has been. It showed that through exercise, there was a decrease in amyloid beta and plaques inside the brain. So yeah.
Okay, so it's good for everyone to know so that
Everyone
we
should
can all do exercise.
exercise.
Okay,
Okay, yeah,
good job.
a big round of applause to Caitlin. The way we've been running this program for the past 3.5 years, and it has evolved. And we have pillars like professors like Dr. Warkey who take the time to mentor and teach students in that specific areas, and then we make them work because we've got to show colleges an outcome or a result. We cannot just say that, hey, I did research. Writing a research paper is hard, and it really shows the colleges that you took time to dig deep and become a subject matter expert. So please don't stop right here.